It's been very hot lately. We need to come up with something. First of all, we need to assemble a team. Guys, let's build a cool pool to escape from this hot weather.
We think it's a good idea.
Dump truck, let's get started.
Now it's my turn.
The base is ready. It's time to pour water in there. Hello, fire truck. We need you to save us from the fire weather.
Okay, I'll be there soon.
It's been a tough day.
Tell me about it. Time to relax. No!
Huh? What's going on?
Help!
Help!
Do I hear something?
Help!
Guys, how did you end up here? Don't worry, I'll get you out.
Wow, you're so strong. Thanks for the help.
Phew, I was so scared. Thank you, Crane.
Time to build a new bridge.
I'll pour the cement. Just a little more to go.
We have to hurry. We have an emergency. Huh? What is this? There's a pile of dirt? We should call our friends.
Hello, hello. How can I help you?
I need help here. It's a pile of dirt.
Alright, I got it. We're on our way.
Counting on you guys.
I'm more ready to go than ever.
Another mission? I'm in. The target has to be somewhere around here.
This is it.
Let's get started. And the last one.
Great job! You're going on our next mission.
Dump truck, you're here!
It's been a rough day.
It's nothing, just a little bit left. And the last one.
Alright, I'm going.
Have a great road.
Oh no! Oh no! Help me! Help me!
Dump truck, what's happened? Oh no, how did you fall? Don't worry, we'll help you.
Now I'm going to lift you up. Don't be afraid.
Oh, thanks guys, you saved me.
Now it's time to set a proper path.
Yep, let's do this.
I'm done.
That came out pretty good.